Hello everyone, this is Tanzimanlo. Welcome to the fourth video of this GIS software series. Today we're going to talk about digitizing in GIS. So what is basically the digitizing is? Digitizing is basically a conversion from geographical data from any scanned image or hard copy to vector form. So how we're gonna do it? Let's jump on that. First, we have to put some image in this software. Let's add data. We're gonna put this image. Okay. So this is our image. We are gonna make the geospatial data to vector form. But this image is not so clear at all. To clear this image, we can simply get to its properties, and from here we can see display, and here we can see nearest neighbor. We To get the continuous data, we can change it to bilinear interpolation. Here it is. Now we hit OK. Now the image is pretty much clear. Now we can digitize it. Now we have to add features to the shape file. To add features, we have to create shape files. To do that, we go to our catalog and we go to folder connection, and we select a folder and we go to new, and here we can see shapefile. If it And we have to give it a name. Let's name it polygon, and give it a feature type, which is polygon, and we have to give a coordinate system to it. So we select BTM and we hit. Here we can see that the feature is created. Now we have to create another shapefile, which is line. We name it polyline, and here you can see the feature type polyline. Edit and we select BTM. Okay. Now we can see the two features on our map. We have to create shape. To create shape, we need to go editing. We have to go to editor or hit start editing. We'll select the polygon and continue. Here we can see a pop-up screen which is create features. If you have it here, you can simply go to editor and go to editing windows, and here you can see create feature. You can add it here. Now we select polygon, and here let's call it up, and we can see in construction tool we define types of polygon name. We select the polygon. Now we have to create shape. Let's start from here. We're gonna make a shape of this parcel. We're gonna select here like this. At last you have to double click. So the shape is created over this parcel. We have to create another shape to these parcels also. But remember, if you make a shape on this parcel on this scale, you have to make another shape on this parcel in the same scale, because in different scale there may be different errors, so there may be many total error can be seen. Now we have to create another shape. We can see there is a name called polygon vertex. If you haven't here, you can add it from the snapping tool. If your snapping tool is not enabled, then this will not show. To show your snapping tool, you go to customize, go to toolbars, and here you can see snapping. Here you have to scroll down this, and you have to select this use snapping. You have to select all of this, so you can see the vertices. Now let's see the vertices from here. There are different vertex. you select here and make another shape. Suppose you did a wrong click and you see there is a wrong click. If you go back, you have to just put Ctrl Z. To draw the next polygon, we are going to use the auto complete polygon. We select from here auto complete polygon, and we are going to make a point here, and we're going to use the corner. We select the shape. Now we're going to hit double click. Here you can see there is no overlap in this corner, and the next polygon is created. You can do it by another thing which is called trace. To use trace, you have to select the vertex of this corner, make a shape here, and you can, from editor we can see here trace. You select this and you hit here, and you take the mouse pointer to its plus vertex and double click. Here you can see that by using trace you can make another polygon. Now we will see another tool which is called the cut polygon tool. It is here. If you want to use it, you have to make another shape, but this color is not visible, not good. So we go to fill color and give it no color. We shape it width and go select red. Here we can see, and we are gonna Control Z this shape, and we are gonna make another autocomplete polygon by using polygon. We're gonna add these two parcel with each other, and we are gonna cut it. You can see that we can make a shape, but there are two parcel in this shape. So how we're gonna use now cut polygon. We go to here and we select cut polygon, and we select here and here. Here we can see by using this cut polygon tool we can divide two parcel. Now we're gonna see another feature which is called edit vertices. To do that, we select here, we select a shape, and from here we can see the edit vertices. So we can see the vertices of the shape. We can simply click here and drag it from here or anywhere. We hit Ctrl Z. We don't want to do. Now we will see another tool which is called reshape feature. To use that shape or tool, we have to create another data frame. So in here we're going to use new data frame, and we're going to put all our data here. Okay, here we can see the new data frame, and now we're gonna go to editor and hit save edit and stop editing, and we can simply delete this layer, and we have to activate this layer, and we go to editor and start editing. Select polygon and continue. Now we are going to use the reshape tool. To do that, we select a shape, and we are going to select this reshape feature tool. We select the vertices here. We double click, and we can see that this shape is now formed a new shape, which is the result of this reshape feature tool. Now we're going to see another feature, another tool, which is clip. To do, when you use clip, you use clip when you have a overlap in the layers or a feature. Here you can see that this parcel is between this parcel, so there is an overlap. Now we simply make a polygon here. Let's make it. Yeah. and we are gonna make another polygon to now. We If we go to the polygon attribute table, you can see that in this attribute table, if you select this 5, you can see it is selected both the polygon, and if you select the 6th, it selected only the between polygon. And how we can cut this overlap thing? To do that, we go to editor, and from here we can see clip. We can preserve. We have to give a buffer distance which is not applicable in this moment, and we can have to preserve or discard the area. We will discard the area that intersect. We hit OK. Now if you select the 5 one, only the number 5 is selected, and when you select the 6th one, the 6th polygon will be selected. To verify this, you can go here and give a shape. Now go to polygon attribute table. Here we can see that the polygons. Okay, we don't want to fill any fill. Go to previous mode. Okay, sorry, no color. Okay, that's how you use a clip tool when you overlap two feature. Now we are gonna see the polyline. Now we're going to use the polyline tool to make new shape. Now we go to editor and hit save editing and stop editing. Now from editor we again start editing, and this time we select the polyline tool and hit continue. From here we'll select the polyline and we'll start making new shape. Now the shape is made, and now how we can convert this polyline to feature? To do that, we go to our toolbox and find the data management tool, and we'll find the feature, and from here we'll select the feature to polygon tool. Here we input the feature, which is polyline, and we have to create an output folder which is made and give it a name. Here we can see the XY toleration, which is if there is a gap between the line, we can use it. I give it to 1 meter and we hit OK. As you can see, the line is now converted into a feature. Now we'll see how we can edit more advancedly. To do that, we go to editor, and from editing tools we hit advanced editing. Here we can see different option, copy features, fillet, extend tool, trim, or many other tools. We can simply use these tools by edit lines more effectively. We're gonna close it, and now we are gonna see some other features. Now we'll see how we can give number to this polygon. To do that, we go to this polygon attribute table. We can simply see the attribute table. We select this polygon, which is this, and the number is 125. So from this ID we can simply give it its name, and other polygon we can give it its name 124. That's how we can give manual numbering to this shape. You can, or we can use the property plus jet by you give it a name to this number to this shape, or we can use another extension to give it a number. To install the extension, we have to go the extension file. We can go here and go to simply install this add-in, which is successful. Now we have to go to the customize and go extension. Sorry, we have to go to customize and go to customize mode. From here go to command and we go to adding control. Here you can see the +1. We have to drag it and simply place it to anywhere. Here it is, and go to close. Now what we'll do is we will select a polygon like this and hit the +1, and we'll give it ID, which is the field, and initial value, which is maybe 120. Now when we select another polygon, it will name it the next value, and again we select another polygon, the name is updated. So you can simply see that the name is updated by using this +1 feature. That's how you can number this polygon by the +1 tool. That's how you can digitize a map by creating this shape. That's for all today. Thank you everyone.